Hello and welcome to Seda's Cuisine. Today we're going to prepare a delicious recipe called hummus. This is a recipe from Middle East, and each country has their own version. Today we're going to prepare the Turkish style. The ingredients for this delicious recipe are listed in the info box below. The trick of getting a smooth and tasty hummus is to get the chickpeas off their skin. If we get them in a bowl of water and irritate them a little bit, the skins will come off and float, and we can go on and pick them. Once your chickpeas are ready, we can get them in a food processor. We're going to add olive oil, tahini, lemon juice, and the spices. And that's about it. The only thing that's really left is to process them until we have a fine consistency. There are some chickpeas that haven't been processed yet, so with a spatula, you can just tuck them underneath the mixture so that they get processed too. Once we have a finely processed mixture, we can taste it at this stage and add some spices in case it needs some more. We're almost there. As you can see, the mixture is a little bit thick at this moment. There's a trick that you could use, actually there's two. One of them is you can put a few ice cubes in it and then process a little bit more. Or, in this case I didn't have ice cubes, I'm using a little bit of water at a time. And now we have an awesome hummus with the right thickness and smoothness as well. And we can go on for plating this beauty. For plating, we will get a little bit of olive oil heated, put a teaspoon of paprika in it, give it a swirl so the flavor comes out. Once we have our hummus in the plate, we can play a little bit with a spoon. We don't want it too flat. We want some height to it. And you can also create some luscious waves with the back of a spoon, if you like. And let's pour our olive oil with paprika. This will create a nice color and taste as well. As a final touch, we can sprinkle some chili flakes on our hummus, and our plate is ready to be enjoyed. You can serve this hummus along with some crackers, or some toasted bread, which either way will be delicious. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the other videos. Enjoy! This is so good. You gotta give this a try.